Hey bro, I'm Sam Millison, I'm 15, I'm from the UK, and over the past few months I've made almost $4,000 from doing online coaching. Now, I'm just telling you that now, okay, so you know you can trust me, okay, so you know you can actually take what I'm saying seriously, because me and you, we both know, okay, that there's so many little kids online who'll tell you how to make 10k online, how to blow up on YouTube and everything, but they haven't even made a single dollar online themselves yet, okay, so just giving you that information now so you know you can trust me, so please, 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 pay attention, okay, because this video isn't like anything else. So I've been doing YouTube for over a year now, like specifically self-improvement YouTube, where you sit down or you stand up and you record a video by talking to the camera. And from that, I've managed to obviously sell coaching and get a decent amount of money with that. And I haven't blown up on YouTube, okay, but I've learned a decent amount, okay, about how to make your videos look better. I've learned a decent amount about photography and videography and all of this stuff, okay, so I know my stuff, okay. And today I'm just gonna go over how to make your videos look better, okay, because the number one problem I see with my clients, because my clients are also guys doing YouTube just talking to the camera like this, the number one problem I see with their recording quality is simply just being in their bedroom, okay. Are your videos all in your bedroom? Okay, I almost guarantee they are, and it's just kind of a bit boring when it's just you're in your bedroom in comfort and you're just speaking to the camera. It really is really boring, okay, because look at it this way, the self-improvement niche or whatever niche you're in is gonna be competitive, okay, and I guarantee there's some other kids out there, especially if you're on the specific self-improvement niche and making videos, whether it be on like making money or like building muscle or whatever. If it's in this general improve yourself niche, there's gonna be so much competition, okay, for you. And so you want to differentiate yourself from that competition, because if you're just the same as everyone else, recording a video in your bedroom, yapping about whatever, okay, no one's gonna take you seriously. Now, there's obviously other problems with that, like your credibility and if you actually know what you're talking about and how well you present yourself and everything. But one thing you can very easily change is simply just where you are, okay? And the number one thing you can do is to simply just record outside. Like, that's a pretty beautiful sunset there. I've got my GoPro set, so it's probably quite a bit brighter than, yeah, so you can't really see it because it's all whited out because of my GoPro settings, so you can actually see my face, but it's a pretty beautiful spot here, and I found this spot literally today. Yeah, I didn't prepare to have a look for this spot. I just came out on my bike, yeah, looking for a new spot, because normally you can look at my channel and look at all the other spots I record my videos in. Normally I record like either by a tree or on this little hill which is really close to my house, and today I wanted to just find a better spot where you got a really big view. I might put a photo up on the screen of some photos I've got. You can see Birmingham over there, big city, because you're on a very high up hill here, one of the highest hills around here, and so you can just see really far. You got the sunset going. You're in the countryside, you can hear the pheasants, you can probably hear that tractor in the background too. I don't know how good this microphone is. But yeah, this is just a really beautiful spot. If I was just in my bedroom, okay, let's say this video was on a different topic and I wasn't like contradicting myself, but let's say I was in my bedroom, yeah, and I was talking about how to make money and stuff. You would probably, I mean, you probably would take my advice and everything, but it'd just be, you know what I mean? If I was just another one of those kids in their messy bedroom and everything, talking about self-improvement and how to make your life better, you're just like, you would just mentally like zone out thinking, okay, this kid he's just another one of the self-improvement YouTubers. And when people see your videos and they see you're just in your bedroom yapping about whatever, that's what they see in you, okay? You have to differentiate yourself. If you actually want to make progress, you have to be different, okay? That's the only way. You have to be different. And honestly, bro, when I started recording, I used to record in my bedroom, okay? And it was easy, okay? It was easy, it was comfortable, it was nice. I just had to set up my tripod and my camera and everything in my bedroom. Like, no one else could hear me. I had no worries about people seeing me recording or anything like that. I was in the warmth of my bedroom. If I wanted a drink or some water, I could go get it. If I wanted to go to the toilet, I could do it easily. I mean, to be fair, you can just bring a water bottle with you and go for a piss outside. But anyway, yeah, you know what I mean? I was in the comfort of my own room, and it was nice. It was nice, but it was the same as everybody else, okay? And it didn't really work. And when I started recording outside, I found this like nice little tree in the middle of a field out in the countryside and everything. And I just started sitting down by that tree and setting up my tripod out there and recording. And yes, people saw me out there, but what actually happened was when I started recording outside, I changed a few of the things with my videos, but it was around about the time, about a year ago now, that I started blowing up on YouTube. And by blowing up, I only mean like 40, 50 subscribers a day. It wasn't like hundreds of thousands or anything like that. I'm not at that level yet. But my videos started doing much better right at this period where I changed a few other things too, I'll be honest. But one of the big things was just where I was recording. It ended up differentiating myself, and I even got comments from people saying like, you're not like everyone else because like you're not just sitting in your bedroom yapping about going outside and shit when you're inside. It's like I was different from other people. And yeah, now I record basically all my videos outside. If I need to get a video out quickly and I don't have time to go outside, or it's been raining the past couple of days, I'll record inside because it's not a huge deal, okay? But if you want to become successful, you really need to get like consistent with recording outside, okay? And I'm gonna go over today how to find like really beautiful spots. Like the sun's really going down now. I mean, man, that is beautiful. Wait, let me just take a picture of that quickly. Sometimes you get planes going past and it looks even better. Yeah man, it really is a beautiful spot here, and it's like I'm on top of a hill. It's fairly cold here though. It's high up and you get a decent bit of, it's not fast wind, but it's like, I don't know, it's just cold up here for some reason. But anyway, it's a really beautiful spot. You see what I mean? It's like, I found this spot today. I didn't even like look at this spot on maps or anything like that. I just went out on my bike, decided to come to this hillier area, okay, because I knew there's going to be better views and stuff. And I just found this spot, okay, and I'll go over right now how you can do the same. Now there's three things, okay, three specific things you want about your recording spot, okay, and if you achieve all three of these things, you will have what I class as a perfect recording spot, okay. And the first one is simply it being close and easy to get to. Now, the spot where I am right now, it's literally, I think it's like a 40-minute bike ride to get here, so it's pretty far. I don't even know the kilometre of mileage or whatever, how far it is, but it's just like, it's 40 minutes, mostly down country lanes and through woods and stuff to get here. We're in a fairly, I don't want to say remote area because we're right in the middle of the fucking UK. And there's the second biggest city right there, but it's pretty, from where I live, it's fairly hard to get here, and it's not near any major roads or anything like that, okay. But yeah, your spot really should be fairly easy to get to, so there's less resistance to actually go to it, because if you have to commute like an hour, okay, to get to your spot that you want to record to, you're going to be so much less likely to go to that spot recording. You're going to be way, way more likely, okay, just to record in your room, because I like to do something called preventative action, okay, where you take action now to basically make sure that you take action later. I know it sounds so weird, but an example of this is like getting your clothes out in the morning to go to the gym. So if you want to wake up and go to the gym in the morning straight away, one thing you can do is simply just like get your clothes out for the next morning. That's preventative action, okay, because you're preventing yourself from not going to the gym in the morning by getting your clothes out, if you understand what I mean. And by making sure your spot is close to you, that's preventative action to make sure you don't end up just forgetting about it and continuing to record in your room and forgetting about this video, okay? So yeah, first thing, it needs to be close and easy to get to. Now, the second thing is it looks really, really good and unique on camera, okay? And so obviously your bedroom, that's gonna be like the least unique looking place ever, okay? Because there's 10,000, 100,000 other guys, okay, online making videos just in their bedrooms. Maybe not 100,000, at least like 50,000 other self-improvement YouTubers, okay? Just young guys making videos in their bedrooms, okay? And so you wanna be different from that. Like I was saying before, you need to be unique. If you've got some countryside near you, bro, it's a really, really good thing, like a really, really good way to come out. Like, yeah, you can't really, I kind of want to change the GoPro settings just so you can see that. Wait, I don't think I can do it right. Okay, I'm going to open a new recording file. Wait, yeah, you really can't see shit. The GoPro isn't good for it. I was taking photos with my phone and that looked better. But yeah, it's really, I don't know how well you can see me. I'm just, yeah, completely dark. Yeah, but it's a really, really lovely spot here. Oh, I was really going to mess up the audio file on my phone because my microphone's connected to my phone, so I can use this microphone. That's really, I'm not going to be happy editing this, okay? But yeah, your recording spot, it has to look unique, okay? It has to look different. I'm on top of literally the highest hill around me for like however many kilometers. Like the next highest hill, you can actually see it off in the distance. Maybe I'll zoom in. That's the next highest hill over there. And that's the other side of fucking Birmingham, so that's like 30, 40 kilometers away. And so I'm not on the very, very highest, in fact, no, I might actually be on the very, very highest spot. I think I might actually be on the very, very highest spot for like 40 kilometers right now. Because every direction I look around me, I mean, it maybe gets a meter higher over there, but I'm literally at the highest spot, okay, for like 40 kilometers around me, okay? And so I'm gonna have good views. I'll put some more photos up of another view I got over there, which was even better, I got a couple of weeks ago. So I'm on a really, really high up spot, okay, and you can see far, okay, I got the sunset, okay, it just looks really, really beautiful, okay, and so it looks different. If I was just in my bedroom, like I was saying before, it just could be completely boring, okay, so that's the second thing. It has to look good and unique, and now the third thing is that it's peaceful and there's no distractions. So this spot, it isn't really the best for that, okay, and I'll tell you why. Firstly, there's a tractor there. There's not normally tractors out. It's very rare to see a tractor out. I mean, you are kind of in farmland, but surprisingly, like this is probably the second or third time I've ever seen a tractor in my whole time of like recording videos out in the countryside. They're surprisingly uncommon. But yeah, anyway, there's also that farm. I don't know if you can see it on the recording or not. Yeah, you can. I'll zoom in on it. There's that farmhouse right there, which I'm in plain clear view of. And I'm here on my bike. And so if people, I mean, I don't know the landowners here, but I know the landowners here are very, very strict on not having bikes. I've been shouted at already twice around this area, on this land for riding a bike here. And there's also no bike signs everywhere, and I've come here on my bike. So, yeah. And so basically, if they were to see me here, recording a video with a bike, they probably wouldn't be very happy, and I'd probably get kicked off fairly fast. I've always told myself that if I was gonna get kicked off some land or something like that, because technically I am trespassing here, but like, I mean, in the UK, like, trespassing isn't illegal. It's called a civil matter, so it's not between like the law, like the law's uninvolved. It's between the person trespassing and the person that owns the land. It's a whole complicated thing. I'm getting onto a whole other subject there, but yeah. So this spot is fairly peaceful. Like, there's a possibility of someone disturbing me, but like, I doubt they are. I doubt they have the energy to come out. But anyway, even if they did see me, more likely they'd hear me. But yeah, and the spot I record at where I'm next to the tree and everything like that, or like near the tree, there's a footpath that goes right next to it, maybe 30 meters away, and so I'm not too close to people, but there are still like old couples walking out all the time. They'll just stand there and watch me every now and then, and I know for some people that can be off-putting when like people are listening or watching them recording in real life. Honestly, I disliked it at first, but now I've just kind of got used to it. So there could be someone just like standing on the path, like right, there's a path like 30 meters down that way. It's over the crest of the hill, so they can't really see me from here. But even if there was someone standing there watching me, as I record, like, I wouldn't care, I'd just carry on, okay? But anyway, yeah, you want it to be peaceful with no distractions, and to be honest, like, your bedroom can often have it has distractions all the time, but it can often also be not peaceful, because if you're like trying to hide like your channel and everything from your family because you still haven't told them, which you probably should do by now, then it's like you can only record when your family aren't home, and then maybe you get a consistent time every day when they're not home or anything, but yeah, it can be quite stressful. And recording outside, out in the countryside, that completely negates all of that, okay? So yeah, basically what I want you to do now is to go on Google Maps or go on Google Earth or anything like that. I use OS Maps. It's like, I think they've got maps for USA and stuff, but it's called the Ordnance Survey Maps. It's proper good maps. It's better for the countryside, really. That tractor's fairly close now. It's just woodland there, but it's only like 100 meters of woodland before you get to another field. And there's a tractor right there, I can see the lights. But anyway, yo, dear, come on, get in the shot. Yeah, look at that wildlife, bro. Yeah, but then there was me talking about not getting distracted, and then there I am getting distracted by the wildlife. But anyway, that just shows this spot is actually fairly peaceful. There's animals going around. It looks better. Yeah, you see a little pheasant or something flying behind me, or a deer running behind me. It's better on camera. But yeah, what you want to basically do is to go onto topography maps. You can literally search up topography map on Google and go onto it, and it's a good website. I might link it down in the description, probably not though, where you can just basically go onto it and look at your local area and look at the high and low points of your local area. Just go on that. I mean, if you live in a huge city and there's no way you can get to some like fields or anything nearby you, then I don't know, maybe go to some sort of park or something like that where you can record on the top of a building or something like that, you know, where it looks unique. If you could have recorded at the top of like a hotel or something like that, yeah, and you're not disturbed there, then that's a really good spot to record. That would be a lot different. Imagine watching a video and it's just like a skyline, like they're just sitting on top of a building, there's a whole skyline behind them. That would look so sick on camera, wouldn't it? If you can do that, that'd be really sick, bro. And but obviously, if you do live near countryside, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people do, even if it's like 20-30 minutes away on a bike, like to get to some fields, like just do it, okay, because it is worth it by far. And so just go into topography maps, look at high points, okay, and just look at spots where it's called like, well, I've come up with a name for like view finding, basically like view searching, where you just look for good views. And I mean, this is a pretty decent view here. If you go just down that direction down there, then there's an even better view, because I mean, you can see all that, but then you can see like past this stuff. Basically, you just go behind that and you can see even further. And that's a really beautiful view. I'll put the photo up on the screen as I already have. But yeah, you basically just want to go view finding for a good spot to recording, and then you find that good spot to record in, and then you basically, yeah, you just go and record in it. And that really is it. Another thing to take into account is simply the sun and where the sun is. Like, there's a guy down there walking on a footpath. Like, I don't care. But yeah, another thing to take into account is basically, I mean, he's probably come to kick me out, but yeah, another thing to take into account is the sun, or like where the sun is. And so, yeah, like obviously in the morning it's going to be in the east. At sunset it's going to be in the west, and everything midday it's going to be above you. And I mean, I was kind of recording out with the sun behind me and everything like that. And yeah, I'm definitely being kicked out now. this ain't a path. But anyway, yeah, so there's obviously the sun behind me and everything, and that can get in the way a bit. But I mean, there was just a sunset, and so I was recording there to make it look better and everything like that. But hello. I'm recording a YouTube video. Sorry? I'm recording a YouTube video. I do YouTube and everything, so I just thought this is a really, I just thought this is a really nice spot. So yeah, first time I've been here, Just looking for good spots to record. Is this your land?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you mind me being here?
So, well, I'd like to know where you came with the bike. Because there's
It was...
no bike path.
Oh, isn't it? Oh, isn't it?
No.
Oh, I apologise for that.
Private land.
Yeah.
There's no cycle path through here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was just on the path down there and then I came up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's still no cycle
Oh,
path
okay.
across this estate, I'm afraid.
Yeah, all right. Oh, thank you.
Right. It's also, it's a shooting estate.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of pheasants.
You could hear the birds
Yeah,
setting off.
yeah.
I just wondered what had disturbed them.
Ah, yeah.
No problem. You're going to be long?
I'm just finishing up now, yeah.
Okay, that's
I'll be gone within a few minutes.
all right. No problem.
All right.
Thank you. Come on. Here. Yeah.
Thank you for being kind about it.
No problem.
I won't come back as well. Thank you.
Get very twitchy.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, at least she was nice about it. Ooh. Yeah, so that's something that could make your video better, being disturbed by someone who lives on the land. I didn't know this was a shooting estate. I mean, it is technically farmland, so yeah. But there's no chance of me being shot here, obviously. But yeah. But anyway, let me get back onto it. So you want to take into account to where the sun is and everything. You don't really want to be recording with the sun behind you. So obviously, the sun was just kind of there, but then it was a sunset, and I did the camera settings to make it look kind of better. But in general, like, if you can have the sun behind the camera, if that makes sense, like shining onto you, then yeah, it'll just look, it just be better like that, because obviously the light's towards you and you don't become a silhouette and everything like that. And yeah, it just looks much better that way. And yeah, I think that really is everything. The main thing is now, bro, just to simply just take action on this, okay? Because you've now watched this video, okay, on how to basically make your videos much better, much easier. The people who take action on this will make progress on that, okay? And the people who don't will not. It's as simple as that, okay? And so you need to start taking action. Yeah, so simply just go on Google Maps, so Google Earth, whatever right now. Go on that topography maps, just Google it, topography maps. It's the first website. And then you can just like find your local location. Do that, okay? Look for some good spots, okay? Mark them out. And then if you can, just go to them today. Look for some good spots. I mean, I was just talking now about not being disturbed here. And then ironically, I was disturbed. But, oh, that's not the people who live there. It's the people... That's a woman who's already shouted at me twice for being on my bike here. And when I've shouted back, oh, what did I shout back? Yeah, she was in her house. She shouted out the window, there's no bikes around here. And then I shouted back to her, oh, that's too bad, or something like that. And she shouted, and the first time she shouted at me, I didn't shout back. And the second time, when I was there another day, yeah. I just realised that I really shouldn't come back to this spot. It's a nice spot. It really is a nice spot, but it's unfortunate. I'll be able to probably find a better spot somewhere else around here. But yeah, anyway, I think that really is it, bro. Simply, please take action on this. Okay, do not forget about this. Take action on it right now, because your videos will simply be better if you do this, okay? Please take my advice, all right? If you've liked what I said, and if you think my advice is good and you want to get more help from me on how to actually start making money yourself from doing coaching, so whatever you do, whether you do your channel on bodybuilding, whether you do your channel on boxing or whatever, yeah, I can help you to sell coaching with that. And I've already helped so many other guys to make money online by selling coaching through their channel, okay? It's by far the best way to make money from a self-improvement related channel, all right? I've got my calendar link in the description. You can go book a call with me there just so we can talk about it more. It's a free call, yeah, where we can just talk about my coaching and you buying it and everything like that. Okay, if you're interested, please go book a call right now. And yeah, I'll see you over there, bro. Thanks for watching. Yeah, good talking, bro, and I'll see you in the next one.